Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you beautiful bevel stone home decor ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today the videos. So viewers, my first idea is friends, one of the easy way to decorate with bevels in by filling acrylic glass walls or balls. You can mix white, gray, black and brown stone to create a natural look. Add fresh flower, artificial plant or candles to make a lovely centerpiece for your dining tables or coffee tables. Bevel also look beautiful in outdoor plant spot. Place small stone on top. That's all to give the pot a clean and finish. Preparing the stone also help keep the soil in place when watering your plant. Another creative idea is to make a bevel picture frame. Glue smooth stones around a plain wooden frame to create a natural border. Every frame becomes unique because no two stones are exactly the same. This handmade frame look wonderful in the living room, bedrooms or hallway. Bevel's wall art is another popular project. Arrange stone into the shape of flower, birds, tree, house, heart or family figures. Place them on a wooden border or can add a simple background. This types of artwork make a meaningful gesture for friends and their families and their viewers. My next idea is weavers. So friends, you can also create beautiful coaster using bevel. Attach small flat stones to a clock wooden base. This handmade coaster protects your tables while adding a rustic and natural style to your home. Viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, Allah Hafiz.